Hello, I'm Hollis with CompleteSalonSupply.com, and I'm here today to show you how to change your cord on an Oster 76 clipper. This is our cord available on our website. It's an 8-foot cord, and it'll fit the Oster 76, the A5, the Titan, and the older Model 10s. The first step is you want to remove the switch cap from the 76 clipper. It takes a Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 screws. And you want to pay close attention on the inside here. There's 2 wires on the switch and 2 wires on the cord. And you can see you've got some terminals that connect to your motor on your clipper. Now you want to pay close attention to how these wires go. You might want to take a picture, or I'll show you how to reconnect them when you go back together. Now remove these terminals. It's a Phillips screw. Now remove the screw from the short post with your 2 wires on it. Now remove the nut from your switch. And push your switch through and set it to the side. Now you want to push your cord over into the hole where your switch was so it can come free. Turn it, it'll pull out. And new cord, you stick through the hole and turn sideways. Then you can push it back into the spot where your old cord was. Now replace your switch. Hole. Now, you've got 2 wires on your switch. 1 wire goes onto the shorter post, along with the black wire from your cord. Then you want to put a screw in that to hold them there. Push it down. And tighten that up. Now, your other post, you want to take a terminal, and the other wire from your switch goes to the post near that. You want to line your wire up, take one of your contacts, your terminals, and put it on top with the screw. Tighten the screw down. Now your other wire, you want to do the same thing with the white wire from your cord. You want to put it on the post, along with, then put your terminal on top. Insert your screw and tighten it up. Now you want to put your nut back on your switch. And tighten it up. Now, you replace your switch cap back onto your clipper. There's a notch on your clipper and on the cap that you want to line up so that everything's aligned when you put your screws back in and tighten them. Insert your screws and tighten these back up. And place the cord on your clipper. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to check out our other videos. Likes and shares are always appreciated. And any products mentioned will have a link in the comment section below.